Umetri rangbak kejelau konret kisang mau lapan penaba palat nyopo hajar teli kita long ladep ban itu bat san hajar teli ladep ban penrung bat kijing persang gelanang ya sakmat ban Pynneh ki nyos pak kendai pu art li kita long Bakongsan ladep pelat lai pu ar klur tingka ban Pynneh ki henriu pu nyotli na kini kita long nalor kani Shi hajar rius pa iway teli kita long ladep shna hapo ke MGNREGS hakini kisan snem baladep. U konrad lapen tebru baladep bay henriu puar $1 million project da ke Asian Development Bank banang Pynneh Pynsah kita long Hakabede bekeselong robwe project. Ula kular bakan pentut kita long niki klau giptap hadim ke jengjurip ke babnia.
70,000 springs in different parts, and that's the ones that we have identified till now. There could be much more. And out of the 70,000 plus springs that we have, 55,000 have actually been mapped through satellite or LIDAR or using drone technology. And monitoring of these different spring sheds are taking place as we speak.